Introducing the OnePlus Nord 5, featuring the powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for stable 144 FPS gaming. The OnePlus Nord 5 is highly rated, with 4.4 out of 5 stars from over 4,000 reviews and over 1,000 units bought last month. The effective price is 33,999 rupees, including savings. You can also take advantage of no-cost EMI options. Experience flagship performance with a 7,300 square millimeters VC cooling system and unprecedented 144 FPS gaming that stays steady for 5 hours. The OnePlus Nord 5 boasts flagship 50 megapixels front and back cameras, born for the night. Enjoy best-in-class clarity for photos and 4K 60 FPS videos, day or night. The 6,800 mAh battery provides up to 19.8 hours of YouTube. Bypass charging keeps temperatures low and frame rates high for gaming. The 144Hz 1.5K AMOLED display with AquaTouch 2.0 provides smooth visuals and accurate touch response up to 3000 Hz, even with wet fingers. Make great photos with AI features like AI Eraser, AI Detail Boost, AI Reframe, and AI Perfect Shot, powered by OnePlus 13 technology. Study smarter with Dual AI from Google and OnePlus. Utilize AI Voice Scribe, Circle to Search, Gemini Live, and much more. Experience faster than 5G internet speeds with 5G Advanced. Get up to 3 times the data speeds in crowded environments, even with just 2 signal bars. The OnePlus Nord 5 is built to last with Oxygen OS 15, offering 4 Android version upgrades and 6 years of security updates. Enjoy 6 years of guaranteed smoothness and a 4-year healthy battery. Customer feedback highlights the excellent display quality, fast performance, and awesome rear camera. Heating reports are mixed, with many experiencing no issues.